Hi guys, today I'll show you how you can copy someone else's data from his pen drive into your PC anonymously. So guys, you are going to do that with Python, Python 3 version. So guys, this whole code is written in Python 3 and let me explain you the whole code line by line. So guys, in first line I imported two libraries, OS and Shuttle. I use OS because I want to use this next method only. For this method I use that library OS. So, guys, I use next method because what next method does, let me tell you, it simply fetches all the data stored at the location M. Just assume M is a location over here, and it simply fetches all the data stored at the location M, and all the files that are stored at the location will go into files list, and all the folders will goes to dirs1, dirs1, and all the paths will go into path ones. So this method simply fetches the data stored at the location. So for that, using that, I use OS and I use shuttle because I use shuttle to copy files from the pen drive to my PC. You can see over here this shuttle I have used here because I want to copy all the files into my PC from that pen drive. So these are the two libraries, and the other one is copy tree. Yeah, this is the syntax of importing copy tree. I imported copy tree just to copy all the folders because I copied all the files. For copying all the files I used shuttle, and for copying all the folders stored at the location I used copy tree method. So these are the two methods. Now the main code begins. If 1 equal to 1, this is a simple checking condition, and m equal to d. M equal to d simply means d is going to be the name of my pen drive, because you can see from here in my PC I have two drives, C and E. I don't have any other drive D, but when I insert my pen drive into my PC, then a new drive comes and the name of new drive will be D drive. So for that's why I use this line m equal to d, because this is going to be the location of my pen drive. And I wrote this line if m is not equal to C and E drive, because I don't want to copy data from C and E again into my PC, because they are already stored in my PC. I just want to copy data from pen drive only. That's why I give the value d to variable m. So this is only a checking condition that data will be from pen drive only. So I explained you this line earlier. So guys, let's move on to the next one. Files equal to list files. Here I generated the list version of these files. This files is going to be tuple and I generated the list version of, not tuple, I think it can be a list. So I generated a list version of this files just for confirming. So the list version of this files will be files1. Now what I did, all the files are stored in files, and using this for loop I traverse each file one by one. So for I in one simply includes a file name stored at the location, and here I make a variable name address, and initially address value is equal to the value of m, that is going to the D drive, and finally value of I is going to be the name of any file like abc.txt. So now address will become finally address plus equal to I, means address is simply will become like D and abc.txt, like this one. So I use this line add plus equal to I. Now what I did, I simply copy the data from this location address to the folder bin